stay blessed. Hi, it's me, Dare to Do Motivation, and I just wanted to let you know that this bad boy right here, the Story of Her Life ebook, is out now as paperback or ebook. And the link is down below. Stay blessed and enjoy the video. So once upon a time, there was a man. And one day the man woke up. And he didn't want to do anything. He didn't want to get dressed. He didn't want to get to work. He didn't want to exercise. There was nothing this man wanted to do on that day. So he said to himself, he said, "Today I shall do nothing, and I won't do anything." And so he just sat in his chair in the living room and did nothing. But came lunchtime, his son had come back from school. And he told his father, he said, "Dad, you promised we're going to the cinema this evening. You said you would take me to go and see a movie. So what movie are we going to see?" The father remembered and he thought to himself, "Oh no, I promised my kid I'll take him to the movies, but I don't want to do anything today." Suddenly he saw a newspaper on the floor in front of him, and on that newspaper there was a big picture of the world. So he quickly took the newspaper and tore it into dozens, maybe hundreds of pieces. And he looked at his son and he said, "Son, if you can make the world whole again, then I will take you to the movies this evening." The son excitedly gathered all the pieces of the newspaper and took them to his room, where he started to assemble them. The father thought that his son would never be able to complete the picture to make the world whole again. But just after 10 minutes, his son came back with a picture of the world carefully stuck together. The man was perplexed, and he said, "Son, how did you manage to complete that quickly? I tore it into hundreds of little pieces. No one would be able to do that." And the son looked at him and he said, "Father, it was easy. On the other side of the newspaper, where the world was, there was a picture of a human. And so I just concentrated on fixing the human, on putting the human back together again. And in that way, I put the world back together again." You see, in life, in your life, no one expects you to save the world. No one expects you to conquer the unconquerable, to make everything perfect. Just show some love, be nice to yourself, and be nice to the people around you. Help your neighbor, help your family, help your friends. And in turn, they too will help their neighbors, their friends, and their family. So you can make the world whole again. Just fix the people around you. Fix yourself. This is Dare to Do Motivation Stories. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.